Welcome back to the LNC Painter YouTube channel. In today's video, we're back at the auction picking up our next build. We got a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas and it got some rear end damage, as you can see. So we're gonna take it back to the shop, assess the damage, get it all fixed, and it'll be looking just like new. Let's go. All right, we gotta try and get this trunk open. Alright, so we got the Atlas on the frame machine. We're gonna do a little pull just so we can free up this area and then get everything out. The interior pieces taken apart, the spare tires sandwiched inside and it can't get out. So we're just gonna ease up this body panel, give it a little pull, and then we'll take the car down, disassemble everything. And pretty much it's just gonna be the rear body panel, and then this corner pocket got pushed in a little bit. This one we're just gonna straighten and repair. And of course we're gonna get a new tailgate. So we'll start with this and see how it goes. All right, so we did our pull, cut out a little window, straightened everything out. Took the trunk off and we straightened the rear body panel out. The floor was not damaged, neither was the corner section. Literally just the rear body panel, which we're gonna replace. So this is gonna be a new piece. Gonna weld everything on, and it should look nice and clean, just like new. Nobody will ever know. We're gonna get the car off the lift. Hopefully our new trunk, new used trunk is gonna come today so we can test fit everything. And then we'll start grinding, cutting, and then welding up the new panel. Let's go. So a little update, we got our used trunk fitted. It also came white and the color matches perfectly, so I don't even need to paint it. We pulled the rear body, all our gaps are looking beautiful. Same on this side. So what's left is I'm waiting for a rear bumper. I ordered the complete cover, lower, upper, everything. So once that comes in, we'll paint it because it's not white. While we're waiting for that, we're gonna start replacing the rear body panel and slowly getting it back together. But so far looks good. My rear body is installed, it's painted, and it's ready to go. I'm gonna start assembling the rear end. putting all the stuff back in the trunk, and we're still waiting on the rear bumper. So once that arrives, I'll paint the rear bumper and it should be ready to go. But for now, I'm gonna reassemble all the miscellaneous and the interior of the car. Final piece is finally painted. I got my rear bumper painted. We're ready to install it, and then we'll be all done with the car. So I'm excited to get the bumper on. Finally arrived from Chicago yesterday, so got it painted right away, and now we can install it. Let's do it. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the rebuild on this Volkswagen Artlist. Everything turned out beautiful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment below if you enjoyed the video. Also, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. That is going to be it for today. See you guys on the next one.